Welcome to the tour of the main new features of HOLOPHONIX 2.1.5. This new version offers new possibilities for sound spatialization, including a new workflow thanks to an improved user interface and new algorithm features. The documentation is now integrated within HOLOPHONIX. You can access it even when you're offline. Each parameter has a documentation quick link. Hover for a few seconds over any parameter in the inspector and a light bulb icon will appear. Click on it to access the corresponding documentation section. In the Project and Preset Manager windows, the creation and modification dates are now visible. You can also lock any preset to prevent any future modification. The Mixer window now features improved navigation. Simply drag and drop any channel for custom ordering. If your preset contains source groups, you can select any of them as you hover over the Group button. In the inspector, it is now possible to click and drag to change values. Use the keyboard shortcut Shift plus left or right arrow to cycle through the different elements of your preset. It is also now possible to send the Open Sound Control message GET to retrieve any indexed parameter status in your preset. For example, sending GET Stereo 1 Gain will return Stereo 1 Gain -6. In HOLOPHONIX 2.1.5, we have implemented two major features available for wave field synthesis and KNN algorithms. WFS is a great way to project the precise localization of the audio objects. Since HOLOPHONIX 2.0, we've added support for 3D wave field synthesis setups. This made it possible to use this algorithm on immersive setups with elevation. But sometimes, the rendering of the height parameter is not necessary, as, for example, in case of spatial sound reinforcement. This is why we have created a 2D mode for WFS and KNN buses. When the 2D mode is activated, the height parameter will have no effect on the resulting spatialization. On a traditional WFS setup, such as this one, you will want to activate 2D mode on the main speakers bus, front fill bus, and delays bus. On this immersive setup with elevation, you would have configured one unique bus containing all your speakers. That bus should stay in 3D mode. WFS also gained a new windowing setting to prevent undesired localization artifacts for listeners located close to the end of the WFS array. When activated, windowing will smooth out the edges of the wavefront at the extremities of the WFS array, thus resulting in better source localization for listeners. You can define the windowing effects factor with window size. Thank you very much for watching this quick overview of what's new in HOLOPHONIX 2.1.5. You can find a full list of the new audio parameters at www.holophonics.xyz/documentation. Thank you for watching.